Welcome to Boost Auto. Today we are going to be replacing the mirror caps on 2014 to 2019 GM tow mirrors. Let's get into it. We offer these caps in black, chrome, or paint to match, and they can be swapped out in less than 10 minutes per side. We'll need to slightly disassemble the mirror to replace these, which means it's a great opportunity to add our other mirror upgrades such as our lower defrost upgrade kit, even our mirror light replacement offered in both a smoked or clear lens with various white or amber lighting options, found on our website at boostauto.com. Let's get into it. The first step is take the top section of glass on your mirrors and tilt up as far as it will go. Then using your thumbs, push up on the glass to unseat it from the housing. If your mirror glass does not slide up, you can simply pull on the glass towards you, applying even pressure to remove it. If you'd like to replace your glass at this time, you can purchase new glass on our website at boostauto.com. Now go ahead and disconnect all the wires on the back of the glass, then set it aside. Next, tilt the bottom glass all the way down, grab the upper edge, and pull the glass to disengage it from the housing. Once the glass is removed, you can go ahead and remove these 5 screws. Then, to remove the mirror bezel, push up on the mounting surface to get it out of the way. Then slide the bezel down and around the mounting plate to remove it. Make sure to unplug any connectors still attached to the mirror. With a pick or trim tool, release the tabs on the lower cap to remove it. Then simply push the bottom of the upper cap out and away from the mirror to remove it. Now you're ready to install your new mirror caps from Boost Auto. Line up the tabs on the bottom cap and snap it into place. Then, go ahead and take the upper cap and do the same. Now take your bezel and plug any connectors back into it and slide it back into position. Once into place, you can reinstall the 5 screws. Then, reconnect all the wires on the back of the glass. Now, reposition the mounting plate and make sure that when reinstalling the glass that the stabilizer pins are in front of these tabs. Then, push down on the top edge to secure the glass back into place. Now go ahead and line up the bottom glass and carefully snap that back into place as well. And with that, your new tow mirror caps are installed. Check out these and all sorts of other parts, like heated lower mirror glass, tow mirror lights, and much more for these trucks at boostauto.com. We'll catch you on the next one. The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.